Have you ever felt your chest tighten, your heart suddenly race, your breath gets shallow, and for a moment you genuinely thought something was wrong with your body, like you might pass out or even die? That's what a panic attack can look like. But then there are other times when the feeling doesn't come suddenly, it builds slowly. Your mind keeps racing, you keep overthinking, and your body stays tense for hours. That's anxiety, and most people confuse the two, but they are not the same. A simple way to understand this: panic is a storm, and anxiety is the pressure before the storm. One is sudden and intense, the other is gradual and persistent. Let's break it down. Let me tell you about Arav. Arav thought he had anxiety until one day something different happened. He was sitting in a cafe, nothing stressful, just a normal day. And suddenly, his heart started pounding. Not fast, violently fast. His chest felt tight. His hands started sweating. And within seconds, his thoughts jumped to, this is not normal. What if I faint? What if this is a heart attack? He looked around and everything felt slightly unreal, like he wasn't fully there. He tried to calm down, but the more he tried, the worse it got. But after 10 minutes, it slowly faded, but he was shaken for the rest of the day. And that was his first panic attack. But Arav had also experienced something else for years. He just didn't realize it. The night before an important meeting, he just couldn't relax. His mind kept running. What if I say something wrong? What if I embarrass myself? He checked his notes again and again and again. His body felt tight. His sleep was disturbed. Nothing extreme, just constant pressure. That wasn't panic. That was anxiety. Here's what most people miss: panic hits you, anxiety builds inside you. Panic feels like I'm not safe right now. Anxiety feels like something might go very wrong. What's happening inside your brain is different too. In anxiety, your brain is predicting danger. Your amygdala activates slowly. Cortisol rises. Your thoughts spiral. You are still thinking, just too much. In panic, your brain skips prediction. It goes straight to survival. Adrenaline floods your body instantly. Your heart races, your breathing changes, and your body prepares to fight or run, even if there is no real threat. That's why panic feels so physical and so real. So, how do you respond? If it's anxiety, slow the mind. Write your thoughts, challenge the what ifs, ground yourself. If it's panic, calm your body first. Slow your breathing, splash cold water, focus on your surrounding, and no logic. Because in panic, your brain isn't listening to logic. If you have ever experienced this, I want you to understand something important. Your body is not broken, it's trying to protect you. It just doesn't always know when the danger is real and when it's not. The next time it happens, instead of asking what's wrong with me, ask what my body is trying to protect me from. And that shift alone can take away half the fear. If you've ever experienced this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to never miss any further updates from us.